What's up, guys? I just got a message saying that something got delivered to my house by Moe'S Performance. Wonder what that is. Alright, I think I know what it is. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Let's go see what it is. This would be considered an unboxing, as you guys like to call it. And you get something that's in a box and you open it for people to get jealous and drool over. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to pull out my little Spyderco, the new Tropin. Sweet knife. You guys haven't... This is a totally different subject, but it's supposed to have a fatal flaw. Long story. I'll make a video on this, actually. It's a sweet knife. There's no fatal flaw. The thing's awesome. I used to collect Mad knives, Spyderco knives, and I don't have much of them anymore. I have a few. I have about like 10 of them, and this is by far my favorite. That's a totally different video, I'm just saying. Spyderco. This is the Tropin. Great knife. I'm gonna use it to open this box, so let's get started. All right, let's see what's in here. I couldn't open it with one hand, so let's see. What we got? Oh, welcome home, little buddy. That's nice. Heavy. That is nice. That's awesome. That's a cam. Oh, new springs. Let's drop them all over the floor, Mike. Oh, yeah. These are brand new springs. Awesome. We got phaser limiter. New phaser limiter. I like that everything has instructions too, because I got a kind of idea what I'm doing. I can turn a wrench, but phaser limiter. That's cool. You got shims with the springs. Tells you everything you need to know. It's great. Nice. I swear, it looks like there was weed in this bag before I got it. Just kidding. Just kidding. What we got here? Push rods. Mint push rods. Man, it's like Christmas up in here. Two push rods. Nice. They look heavy duty. And these must be the non-MSD Hellcat lifters. Roller lifters. Yeah. Beautiful. Can't wait to get rid of that MDS. Did I just say MSD? I meant MDS. Wrong company. Different word. Yeah, that's it. Here's the whole kit. I'm gonna open the cam up, take a look at that. Alright, open the box. I like the sticker. That's a cool sticker. Definitely gonna be putting that somewhere. And they give you most of the cam specs too, which is cool. It's no secret. It's nice. That way the tuner can know what he's doing too. I'll be using Flyin over it. Flyin Performance to tune this. I also have a 3000 stall converter coming Friday. I'll do a video on that too. Why not? Ooh, 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 ooh. We can do some curls with this. Get the blood flowing. There she is. Look at the beauty of that. I'm not even putting this in my truck. This is gonna go up on my wall as a decoration. This is just cool looking. It really is. I'm just gonna hang it on my wall in my living room. I'm sure my wife will like it. Say, what's that? It's a cam. What does it do? Nothing. It's for looks. So that just came in today. I'm pretty excited. Had a long day. I had a hamburger at lunch that made me turn bright red, like put me in a coma. Trying to fight that. So if I sound boring and tired, it's because of that. The PLX AFR came in a few days ago. I ordered another steering column single gauge pod that's going over the steering column. Before I had two with the Pro Charger. I'm just going to do one this time. That's all I really need is an AFR. Air fuel ratio gauge. For those who don't know what AFR means. Got the cam stalls coming. The converter's coming this Friday. And then I'm possibly going to order some headers soon. And then we got to schedule a date with Mr. Roji. I'm going to drive down to the Cape. Me and Mark are going to throw the cam in the stall over in one weekend. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I have had ARH headers. I got pinched up at a Mac Center. So I do the carb legal stuff now. I'm not doing that again. I had to strip down the whole entire engine, put everything back to stock, and the exhaust. And I had True Dual at the time. It was a pain in the butt. But I'm going to get JVA showies again because I want to. I know it's not a crazy gain, but I want to hear the tick from the cam. You know that I like that you can hear the sounds of the cam when you got headers. Not as good as the long tubes, but it'll be good enough. If you guys are still interested in TunedRAMS t-shirts, I got a good amount left, anywhere from small to 5XL. There's probably a few left of each. I ordered 100 t-shirts, I'm down to like probably 30 of them. I got them over here too. I got windows, I got doors, anything else you need. Ladders, those aren't for sale though. America, that's for the 4th of July coming up. We stick those flags in the back of my truck and we drive around proud and American. That's what those are for. I'm really looking forward to being cammed. I see a lot of you guys on Facebook and the forums enjoying it, being NA, and it's gonna be fun. You know, I used to be boosted, so I'm just looking for that full-time power that you get from NA. You don't have to wait for boosts. Just don't worry about belt slipping. Don't worry about blowing pistons because something's gone wrong. Or I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait to see how it sounds, how it drives. I'll make a video on, you know, obviously when it's done. I'm gonna make a video of the install too when we're down at Roji's garage. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. That kid cracks me up. We'll be laughing the whole time, having a good time, wrenching. That's a good time. Roji knows what he's doing. He's good. He's good at what he does. Good kid too. I don't know if you knew, but I met Mark Roji online on, I think it was way before TunedRAMS. This is probably 2 years ago. It might have been on like NA Dodge. We started talking. And I had questions about my Pro Charger. I took the Pro Charger off my 2015, and I was putting it on my 2017 in my garage here. And the overhose, the metal pipe for the coolant, for the 2015 didn't have the nipple that the 2017 needed for the extra coolant hose. So I'm talking to Mark, and I'm like, I don't know what to do. He's like, you got to weld it on. And I'm like, I don't have a MIG welder. I know how to MIG a little bit, but I don't have a welder. And he's like, I'll come up there. I'm like, what do you mean you're gonna come up here? The dude came up literally 2 hours later. 2-hour drive from Cape Cod up to where I am, North Shore, Massachusetts. Like, came up in a dime. That's rare. And he ended up being a good kid. We were talking. He welded it on for me, did an excellent job. It's in one of the other videos too. He did a good job. And we've been cool ever since. We hang out a lot, grab food. Threw my headers on. There's a video I have of us putting the headers on. We had a good time putting the headers on. And he's a really good guy. He knows his stuff too. A little cocky, but he's a good kid. Just kidding, Mark. Come on, you are a little cocky. Calm down. All right, guys, I'm out. Another video will be coming in with the stall. We'll talk about that. Any questions you guys have, put them below. I'll try to answer them as best I can. Obviously, I can't answer any install questions until I actually install it. All right, guys, I'm out. Until next time, stay cool.